Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to take a look at something that I bought at Disneyland that to me is pretty cool, and I wanted to show you what I got. Now I will tell you that it did come in cellophane. I did take that off to make this unboxing a little bit easier. So with that being said, let's go check it out. So I left it in the bag here, and put the bag away, out of the way. So I saw this in the park and thought it would be good for my collection since I do collect a number of things. They mostly are from Disneyland, and I'm going to show you what it is and we'll go from there. So let's take it open it up. And this box is really nice. It's very smooth, and for a box it's very nice. So let's take a look at what we got here. Okay, so what this is, take the packing out, there's a little certificate there, and we'll take the stuff that we throw away anyways out of there. We'll just take it out and we'll move the box out of the way and show you everything that came with it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take this out of the bag and show you the front of it. Okay, so what this is Mickey ears of the Enchanted Tiki room, and it is designed by Shag, and I've gotten more into his different things that he makes. He does lithos and prints and that kind of thing, and a lot of different things, designs, and I've gotten more and more interested in what he does. Actually, I probably didn't used to like him so well, but I've gotten so I do like them. Before we get into this, this is the certificate of verification. It says designed by Shag for Disney parks. Maybe you can read it yourself there. And it's just in a little cellophane thing, but it's just a single deal, so there's nothing else written. Okay, so as you can see, it is very cool, at least in my opinion. It is embroidered. It does have 3 of the birds from the Enchanted Tiki room, and that's one thing that drew me to this, is I really like the embroidery, and to me that makes it look a little higher end than just printed on there. Over here you have some of the Tikis. This is Pelly and this is Rongo, I believe, and I'm not sure what his name is. And then we'll flip it around. There's 2 on the back, and I'm not sure what their names are. So if you happen to know what their names are, go ahead and put a comment in the section below and tell me who they are if you do know who they are, because I don't. And then you've got Mickey Mouse, and it says, "See you in the Tiki room." So I do like how it's accented with this little deal here, and it goes around the ears as well. And again, Mickey also is embroidered, which is very good. And then when we look inside, I'll flip it around actually this way, there is a tag here that says Shag for Disney parks, and it says limited release. So it might just be a limited release in the parks, like a Disney parks exclusive. I'm not sure. I wished it had a number. If there is a certain number, maybe they don't know. Who knows? But anyways, this, if you do like this, by the way, this will cost you $58. Although I got it cheaper because I do get the 10% off for having an annual pass, so that saves a little bit. So we'll go ahead and put it on, even though, like I say, this isn't, I don't wear these, nor will I. But now you can see why. But anyways, I didn't have the strap on. So yeah, this isn't something I'm gonna wear in the parks, but I thought it would be cool to just display it and put it with the stuff that I have. I thought it was kind of unique. So if you're interested in this, I got it at Disneyland. Look in the bazaar at Adventureland, that store there, or at Disneyana. They also have it in there on Main Street. So hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. One other thing too, it does come with this nifty bag to store it in. Maybe if you were going to go to the parks, you could put it in your suitcase, but that also comes with it.